Hello, you are welcome to the official YouTube channel of Sir Gideon. On this channel, I'll be providing you with step-by-step solutions to past SSSCE and then WASSCE questions. I'm here to help you and to guide you. I want you to become a straight A1 student without sweating. If you are new here, please like, subscribe, and then share this video to as many students as possible, so that our goal of helping students become a straight A1 student without sweating becomes a reality. Now, for today, we are looking at a past question which came in the year 1996, and then we are considering the topic said. So the question we have before us says that express root 2 plus root 5 over root 10 in the form a root 5 plus b root 2, where a and b are rational numbers. And the second question says that simplify in bracket 6 plus 2 root 5, then another bracket 3 minus 2 over root 5, then bracket close. Let's take the first one. The first one we have is root 2 plus root 5 all over root 10. So how can we express this in the form a root 5 plus b root 2? Now, so what we have to do is to rationalize the denominator. What I mean by that is that we have to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the denominator. All right, so to do this, what we have to do is that we have root 2 plus root 5 all over root 10. So we're going to multiply the numerator by the denominator, which is root 10, then by root 10. All right, so that this is rationalizing the denominator. So this root 10 is going to multiply everything over here. Now, in order for us to make things simple, let's put this in a bracket. Let's see this as a particular, as one term. All right, so we're going to have root 10 multiplying root 2 plus root 5 all over. Now, root 10 times root 10 gives us root 10 squared. Now it is squared because now it is the same as a times a, which gives us a squared. All right, so we have root 10 multiplying root 10, which gives us root 10 all squared. All right, so that is on that. Let's move on. Now, so this squared is going to cancel the square root, so we'll be left with 10 as the denominator. Now, root 10 times 2 times root 2 gives us root 20 plus root 10 times root 5 gives us root 50. So what we have to do is we have to reduce this particular set into the basic form, into the simplest form. So root 20 can be expressed as 4 times 5. We break it down such that we will have one perfect square multiply another number to give us 20. So 4 times 5 gives us 20. Then we have plus. Now root 50 becomes 25 times 2. Now 25 is a perfect square, so times 2 gives us root 50 all over 10. All right, now root 4 times 5. This can be broken down further into root 4 times root 5 plus root 25 times root 2 all over 10. Now, so root 4 gives us 2 root 5. Now, this 2 multiplies 5, so we get 2 root 5 plus root 25 gives us 5 times 2 gives us root 2, 5 root 2 all over 10. Now, the question was we are to express this in the form a root 5 plus b root 5. So that means that we shouldn't have a general denominator. So that means we are going to split this into 2. So we are going to have 2 over 10 root 5 plus 5 over 10 root 2. Now, 2 can cancel itself 1. It goes into 10 5 times. All right, 5 cancels itself 1, it goes into 10 2 times. So this gives us 1. We get 1 over 5 root 5 plus 1 over 10, 1 over 2 root 2. So if you are comparing this, all right, if you are comparing this with a root 5 plus b root 2, you realize that if you are comparing this one with this, you realize that a is 1 over 5 and then b is 1 over 2. So comparing both, we can say that a is equal to 1 over 5 and b is equal to 1 over 2. Very easy and simple. Let's look at the second part of the question, which says simplify. We're looking at this: simplify 6 in bracket 6 plus 2 root 5 bracket close, then bracket open 3 minus 2 over root 5 bracket close. So how do we solve this as well? So we have I and the question we're looking at is in bracket 6 plus 2 root 5 multiplying 3 minus 2 root 5. Now, so what we have to do is to expand this. We are going to apply the binomial expansion formula, which is if you have a plus b multiplying, let's say, c plus d. All right, now this a is going to multiply everything, so we're going to have a multiplying c plus d, then plus b multiplying c plus d. We're going to apply this over here, so that means this 6 is going to multiply everything over here, then 2 root 5, this will multiply everything over here. All right, so we're going to have 6 multiplying 3 minus 2 over root 5 plus 2 root 5 multiplying 3 minus 2 over root 5. Now 6 times 3 gives us 18, so we have 18. 6 times 2 over root 5 gives us 6 times 2 is 12 over root 5 plus, now 2 root 5 times 3 gives us 6 root 5 minus 2 root 5 times 2 over root 5 gives us, now watch this, this 2 is going to multiply the 2 over here, so we have 4 root 5 over root 5. Now, so now we have this particular set. All right, now over here we have to rationalize the denominator. So what that means is that we're going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by root 5. So this is how we go about. So we have 18 minus, let's put that one in bracket, 12 over root 5 times root 5 over root 5, then plus 6 root 5 minus, now watch this, now we have 4 root 5 over root 5. Now this one can cancel out this, so we are left with minus 4. Follow closely. Now, so we have 18. Now 12 times root 5 gives us 12 root 5. Root 5 times root 5 gives us 5. So we have over 5 plus 6 root 5 minus 4. So we have, now let's group like terms. Let's take this negative 4 to where 18 is. So we have 18 minus 4 plus 6 root 5 minus 12 root 5 over 5. Now, so 18 minus 4 gives us 14. 6 root 5 minus 12 root 5 over 5 gives us a value of 18 root 5 over 5. Very easy and simple. All too soon, we've come to the end of this particular question. I've helped you solve a past question which came in the year 1996. Thank you for joining. If you are new over here, please make sure you subscribe and then you share this video to as many students as possible. Thank you for joining. See you in the next video.